This is Jensen Collins, a children's book illustrator out in Montana, and today we're going to draw a butterfly.
All right, we're going to start by drawing a butterfly. We're going to grab this pale green and our big square brush, make it as big as it'll go, and we'll cover the whole background with that. Now that our background color is in, I'm going to go find this dark brown, maybe a little lighter than that. We're going to use our crayon tool. And the first thing we're going to do for our butterfly is put a circle and color it in. Like that. Next, we're going to make a C shape, but we're going to make it really long. So we're going to start on this side of the body, curve, and come all the way back up. And we're going to color that in as well. So for my butterfly, I'm going to give it light purple wings. We'll start up here. We're going to call this circle the head and this C shape the body. And I'm going to start right where they meet, right here. And I'm going to make a big C shape. I'm going to go on the other side and try to match that side. Oops, I'm a little squashed. There you go. They don't have to be perfect, but they do have to be kind of close. For the next wing, I'm going to start about midway on this wing. And I'm going to make another teardrop shape. And I'm going to try to match it on the other side. All right, and then we're going to color those in. Next, I'm going to grab this pencil tool and the brown that we used for the body, and we're going to add some little antenna. And what I like to do is a swirly, so we're going to go in a circle that just keeps going, like that. And one on this side as well, a circle that keeps going. Again, they don't have to be perfect, but they kind of have to be close. We're going to go find the purpley color that I picked for the wings, and I'm going to pick something just a touch darker. I'm going to go with that one. And I'm going to use the crayon tool to go around the wings. All right, and so this is a very basic, beautiful butterfly. You can put this on any piece you wanted to. You can leave them simple, or you can make them extra decorative. So I'm going to use the purple that we already used to outline. And I'm also going to use this crayon, and I'm just going to make it a little bigger, and I'm going to make a big circle right here. Color it in. I'm going to do a smaller circle here. And then I'm going to do, let's do a big circle down here as well. Key to butterflies. I say it a lot. We have to try to match it on the other side. Now I'm going to go have some fun. I'm going to grab some, let's make it pink. And inside of these circles, I'm going to put another circle. These I won't color in, I'll just leave them open. Except maybe on these smaller ones. There may not be enough room to just leave them open. I would also like to add some yellow to my butterfly. I'm going to add a yellow dot here and here, and then match it on the other side. I'm going to add one here and match it on the other side. And then I want to go find kind of a really dark purple. And I'm going to use the crayon tool, and I'm going to use a bouncing line to go around this circle. And the same on this side. I'm going to go around these. And these. Alright, and that's my butterfly.